Understanding the surrender rule in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into an interesting phrase, the surrender rule. This phrase is not just a set of words, but it carries a significant meaning in various contexts. Stay tuned as we explore what this rule is all about and how it's used in English. The surrender rule is a phrase that originates from legal and gaming contexts, but it has broader applications in everyday English. In its most basic form, it refers to the act of giving up or yielding in a situation. This could be in a legal battle, a game, or even a personal scenario. It's about accepting defeat or choosing not to continue with a particular course of action. Historically, the term has roots in military and legal scenarios. In a military context, surrender means to cease fighting and give oneself up to the enemy. In legal terms, it might refer to yielding a right or giving up a claim. Understanding this background helps in comprehending the gravity and seriousness the phrase carries when used in modern English. In today's language, surrender rule has a metaphorical use. It's employed in conversations to imply giving up or conceding in arguments, competitions, or challenging situations. For example, someone might say, "I had to apply the surrender rule in the debate yesterday," indicating that they chose to stop arguing. In gaming, especially in card games like blackjack, the surrender rule is a specific option. It allows players to fold their hand and lose only half their bet, instead of risking a total loss. This strategic move can be a metaphor for life situations where partially withdrawing from a challenging scenario is wiser than facing a total loss. Interestingly, the concept of surrender transcends just the literal meaning. Culturally and philosophically, it can symbolize letting go of control, accepting things as they are, or an act of humility. This broader interpretation makes the phrase rich and applicable in various life philosophies and self-help contexts. I hope this video has shed light on the surrender rule and its various applications in English. Whether in legal terms, gaming strategies, or life philosophies, understanding this concept can add depth to your English comprehension and usage. Remember, sometimes, surrendering is not just about giving up. It's about making a wise choice. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.